नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन झालं ना? सॉल्व केलं तुम्ही? मी वही पाहणारे जाताना बसून राहू नका. झाले ना? ठीक आहे सर. हां बोला काय झालं? एनी डाऊट इन दिस क्वेश्चन? यामध्ये डाऊट आहे का? नाही. ओके सर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन we write down. We know that. Next question. Two circles having ready. Question number 12. Two circles having ready. Two circles having ready. Two circles having ready. 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter. 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Write down there quick fast. 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Touch each other. Touch each other. Touch each other. Touch each other. Internally. Touch each other internally. Touch each other internally. Find the distance between their center. So find the distance. Find the distance between their center. Between their center. Find the distance between their centers. Find the distance between their center. This is your next question. Write down the next question. Find the distance between their centers. Now, so two circles having ready 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So there is a two circles. They are okay. Touch each other internally. So look at also. There is a first circle. There is a center of second circle, and there is a second circle. There is a center of second circle. So they touch each other internally. Internally means subtraction. Example: A, B, and C. We also know that. So write down the solution. A. Look at here also now. We find the distance between their center. We find the distance between their center. So we know that AC is a R1. AC means R1 is equal to, there is a 7 centimeter, and there is a BC. BC means R2. So BC means R2. R2 is there is a 4 centimeters. Right? Circles are touching internally, externally. Center of circle A and B are touching. So center of circle A and B are touching internally. Touch internally at point C. At point C. Okay, write down there again. We find the distance between. म्हणजे आपल्याला इथे AB काढायचं. So there is A is a center of first circle. B is a center of second circle. So we find the distance AB. So that is why I write down there again. Distance AB is equal to, there is R1 minus R2. So what is R1? R1 is a 7 minus R2. R2 is a 4. So that's why I write down there is a 3 centimeter. The distance between their center, write down there again. The distance between their center, the distance between their center is 3 centimeter. That is your right answer. So there is a internally. Next is a externally. Internally, if given internally, so we have subtraction, larger radius minus smaller radius. If given externally, so we have addition, R1 plus R2, first circle radius plus second circle radius, in this way. Write down your next question. These are it's very easy question now they are saying. These are 1 marks question. The last chapter number 4. So okay. Internally and externally. Okay. So we have changed only question. Question number 13. Two circles having radius 7 cm, 4 cm touch each other externally. We शब्द बदलतो येतो. There is a externally. Externally. Find the distance between the center. आता externally शब्द आहे म्हणजे diagram change होणार. We have changed the values of diagram. So look at it also. Erase करायचं. सर्व झाले का? Are you done? Yes or no? मला internally subtraction, externally addition. If circles are touching externally, the radius addition करायची. And we know that if centers are touching internally, we know that subtraction of radius. So it is very easy. You try to find out the next. So look at the boards. The question is externally. EXTERNALLY. Write down there be fast. Only change the words. The previous question is internally, and in this question we using the words is externally. Now look at the boards and then find out the answers. Now each and every question first read properly and then find out your answers. Look. Okay. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Now write down. Next question. First we have changed the diagrams here again. So what is there again? The circles are touching. Circles are touching. There is a first circles. There is a second circle. So both circles are touching. There is a center of circle first, center of circle second. Right? So we write down there A, B is the center of circle. It's touched at point C. So C point. We know that AC is there is a 7 cm radius of first circle. The radius of second circle is there is a 4 cm. There is a 4 cm. Now circle with center A and B. Circle with center. Look at it also. R1 is a 7 cm means AC. So there is a BC means R2 is a 4 cm. Center of circles A and B are touched. Center of circles A and B. Center of circles A and B are touched point C. Are touched at point C. So that is we find the distance between the center. म्हणजे आपल्याला AB एवढा distance काढायचा आहे. AC plus BC. AC plus BC. So we find the distance between the center. Now look at the boards. Erase करें. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. So we have touching the we just change the values again here. Write down here circle, center of circle. Now we try to solve the whole question again here. Yes. Look at the board again. So all questions are very easy. You get a 1 or 2 marks. आज आपण फक्त 1 आणि 2 मार्क्सचे क्वेश्चन शिकलो आहे. उद्याच्या लेक्चर मध्ये 2 आणि 3 आणि 4 मार्क्सचे क्वेश्चन असतील. नेक्स्ट AC is therefore AC means R1. AC is R1 is a 7 cm. BC is a R2. So second radius is a BC is a R2 is a BC is a 4 cm. Right? We find the distance between the center. म्हणजे आपला AB मधला distance काढायचा. The distance between their center means we find AB. So that is why I write down there again. Center of circle A and B. Center of circle A and B touch each other at point C. Write down there again. Words. Center of circle. Center of circle A and B. Center of circle A and B touch each other externally at point C. If circles are touching at the externally, so we have addition. AC plus BC. So write down there again. Yes, therefore distance of AB is equal to we write down there R1 plus R2. What is R1? R1 is 7, R2 is 4. We put in their values. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11 centimeter. That is why distance AB is 11 centimeter. Write down the statement. The distance between their center is 11 centimeter. That's your right answer. Write down the field first. Okay. Externally addition करायची रेडियसची. Internally subtraction करायची. Are you done? Okay. Next question is last question. Question number 14. एक last question को. Okay. So next question is the last question. हा प्रश्न आता तुमच्यासाठी आहे. तुम्ही स्वतः सॉल्व करून बघा. मी फक्त तुम्हाला डायरेक्शन देतो. Next, we know that draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Question number 14. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. 3.2 centimeter. So mark a point P. Draw a circle of center of radius 3.2 centimeter. Next one is centimeter. Mark a point P on the circle. Mark a point P on the circle. Mark a point P on the circle. Next, draw tangent to the circle. Draw tangent to the circle. Throw point P. Write down there again. There is a point P. Throw point P. Using the center of circle. Okay, now you will try to find the answer. Next one is try to clear the fourth question. Next, are you done? Okay. हा प्रश्न सॉल्व करून झाला सगळ्यांचा? बोर्डवरचा क्लियर पडतो लवकर. 2 मिनिटांपेक्षा जास्त वेळ लावू नका. Don't take an extra time. Okay. Erase करायची. Is your last question? Okay. We know that first you must draw a rough figure. तुम्हाला आता rough figure draw करायचा आहे. First you will draw a rough figure. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. There is a draw radius is a 3.2 centimeter. Draw a circle of radius 3.2 centimeter. Take a point P on the circle. So we taken as a center is a P. There is a point P on center of circles. Next one is you try to draw again. Yes. P वर ठेवायचं दोन्ही साइडला आर्क मार्क. तुला आठवतो? Next, we are done.
B center और center.
Using center of circle. आपण center of circle चा वापर करायचा. We know that draw tangent to the circle through the point P. P मधून center passing झाली पाहिजे. Look at it also. P is not center. Draw a tangent to the circle through the point P. Tangent P मधून pass व्हायला पाहिजे. We must read the question. Okay. Now look at the boards. Take a distance in your compass is 3.2 centimeters. Compass मध्ये किती अंतर घ्यायचं? 3.2 centimeter. घेतलं? Look at it also. Take a distance in your compass 3.2 centimeter. So that is why I write down there again. सगळ्यात अगोदर कंपास मध्ये किती अंतर घ्यायचं? 3.2 centimeter. Take a distance in your compass 3.2 centimeter and draw a circle. Next, we must draw a radius. So there is a radius. We extend the radius again here. So there is a radius. So we know that we give a name as a P. P is the center of circle. Take a point P. Take a point P. Take a point P on circle. P. Take a point P on the circle. Next one is point P center of circle. Compound. So there is a P. Center च्या आतमध्ये आणायचं. So there is must we draw the first one here in this way. Pivot घेऊन center च्या आतमध्ये. Same are drawing here again. Yes. Are you done? Look at the boards. There is a first. There is a second. Take a distance approximately 4 centimeter. Okay, approximately. So there is a. We draw a tangent from the point P. It's very easy. Look at here also. There is a first. There one is a second. So also we have cleared there again first and second. Now. So there is a first point. There is second point. We know that there is a L. Their point is a P point. So there is right down there. We find out the so these one questions we try to complete it. Yes. Okay. ठीक आहे. आज आपण इथं थांबू. उरलेले क्वेश्चन जे आहेत आज आपण फक्त 1 मार्कचे क्वेश्चन घेतले आहेत. उद्याच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण 2, 3 आणि 4 मार्कचे क्वेश्चन घेऊ.